Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over the Wood Veneer Hub directions. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who already have their wooden slat panels from Wood Veneer Hub, or maybe you're on the fence of actually buying them just because you don't know how to install them. Either way, I'll help clarify this for you. But the way I did this was that, to give you context first, my wall that you see right over here is 12 feet by 8 feet. So I actually purchased 6 panels of Wood Veneer Hub panels. And then the way I actually cut these and measured it is I used a circular saw, I used a jigsaw, and then I used a box cutter, and then I also used a sander just to smoothen out the edges. So the circular saw, I actually measured, just using a simple tape measure, how tall my wall was, and then I would just draw a line with pencil on where to actually cut across with my circular saw. So I did this in the backyard, and then I used the jigsaw to actually cut out and measure the wall outlets that you see right over there. And then the box cutter was used to do some fine cuts within the felts that you see right over here. And then I just used the sander to actually sand the edges of where the circular saw actually made its cuts. Now, as far as actually installing these go, I made sure that my wall panels were flush against the wall towards my left wall, just because my left wall was green. And so you'll see that it's flush against the wall on the left side. But then as far as the right side goes, there's some gap, but I just painted the right side so it'll actually blend in with my right wall over here. Now, to actually install these on the wall, I used simple black drywall screw anchors. So I'll leave a link to these down below in the description. But for the 6 panels, I used about 9 screws each. So there would be 3 screws up top, 3 screws in the middle, and then 3 screws at the bottom. So I've had mine hung for more than 2 years now, and it's still going strong. I mean, it was probably a really easy installation process, and I was kind of worried about how to actually install these. If I had to choose something that was a bit more difficult, I'd say if you haven't used a circular saw, if you haven't used a jigsaw before, then that might be a bit more difficult and actually to learn how to use those. But as far as actually installing these wooden slat panels go, I literally just screwed them straight into the wall using these drywall screw anchors. So like I mentioned, I'll leave a link to these down below in the description, but I hope this clarifies to you how to actually go ahead and install these. It's really easy though. It really is. You can do it by yourself, and it's especially a lot easier if you know how to use the tools that I mentioned. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.